Nazis kill the innocent people? Answer. They devised an unprecedented means of killing people, like by gassing them in numerous killing centers like Auschwitz. Next question. What was the attitude of the Allied powers at the Nuremberg Tribunal? Answer. The Nuremberg Tribunal sanctioned only 11 leading Nazis to death. Many were imprisoned for life. The Allies had a lenient attitude towards Germany. The Allies did not want to be harsh on Germany as they were after the First World War. Next question. Name the countries which formed the Allied powers. Answer. At the beginning of the Second World War, Allied powers were led by UK and France. In 1941, they were joined by USSR and USA. Next question. What was the result of First World War for Germany? Answer. Germany and the Central Powers were defeated in November 1918. Germany had to sign the humiliating Treaty of Versailles. Next question. What events made an opportunity for parliamentary parties to recast German polity? Answer. The defeat of Imperial Germany and abdication of the Emperor Kaiser led to the recast German polity. Next question. What was the nature of the government formed in Germany at Weimar? Answer. The government formed at Weimar was a democratic republic. Next question. How were the deputies elected under the Weimar Constitution? Answer. Deputies were elected to the German parliament or Reichstag on the basis of equal and universal votes cast by all adults, including women. Next question. Why was the Weimar Republic not received well by its own people? Answer. The Weimar Republic was not received well by its own people because of the terms it had to accept after Germany's defeat at the end of the First World War. The Treaty of the Versailles with the Allies was a harsh and humiliating peace. Next question. Name the peace treaty signed by Germany with the Allies at the end of the First World War. Answer. The Treaty of Versailles was signed between Germany and the Allied powers at the end of the war. Next question. What was the war guilt clause in the Treaty of Versailles? Answer. The war guilt clause in the Treaty of Versailles held Germany responsible for the war and damages suffered by the Allied powers. Next question. Who were mockingly called the November criminals? Answer. Socialists, Catholics, and Democrats were called the November criminals. Next question. The media glorified trench life. What was the actual truth about trench life? Answer. Although the media glorified trench life, the soldiers lived a miserable life, trapped with rats feeding on corpses. They faced poisonous gas and enemy shelling. Next question. Who founded the Communist Party of Germany? Answer. The Spartakists founded the Communist Party of Germany. Next question. Mention the reason for economic crisis in 1923. Answer. Germany depended largely on loans for fighting in wars, and for this they had to pay war repression in gold. Next question. What steps were taken by the French when Germany refused to pay its gold reserve in 1923? Answer. French occupied its leading industrial area, Ruhr, to claim their coal when Germany refused to pay its repression payment in 1923. Next question. What do you mean by hyperinflation? Answer. It is a situation when prices rise phenomenally high for For instance, Germans paid cartloads of currency notes to buy a load of bread. Next question. Why did USA introduce the Dawes Plan? Answer. Germany did not pay repression payment to France, which occupied Ruhr. Germany resisted and printed paper currency. The value of German mark gradually fell. The Americans intervened and introduced the Dawes Plan, which reworked the terms of repression payment to ease the financial burden on Germany. Next question. What is Wall Street Exchange? Answer. It is the name of the world's biggest stock exchange. It is located in USA. Next question. Small businessmen, self-employed and retailers were filled with the fear of proletarialization. Explain proletarialization. Answer. It is a fear of being reduced to the rank of the working class or be unemployed. Next question. What is proportional representation? Answer. It is an electoral system in which each political group gains a number of seats in the legislature that is in proportion to the number of votes it wins. Next question. What was Article 48 in the Weimar Constitution? Answer. Article 48 in the Weimar Constitution gave the President the powers to impose emergency, suspended civil rights, and rule by decree. Next question. Name the party renamed by Hitler. Answer. In 1919, Hitler joined a small group called German Workers' Party. Subsequently, he took over the organization and renamed it as the National Socialist German Workers' Party. This party later came to be known as the Nazi Party. Next question. How did Nazism become a mass movement? Answer. During the Great Depression, Nazism became a mass movement because Nazi propaganda gave hopes of a better future. By 1932, it becomes the largest party with 37% votes. Next question. How did Hitler get the support of the Germans? Answer. Hitler was a very good orator who could draw the attention of the people and impress them with his words. He promised to build a strong nation and wipe out the Himalayization of the Treaty of Versailles. He promised employment. Next question. How was the Hitler projected by the Nazi propaganda? Answer. The Hitler was projected as a Messiah, a savior, as someone who arrived to deliver people from their distress. Next question. When did President Hindenburg offer chancellorship to Hitler? How did he use his powers? Answer. On 30 January 1933, President Hindenburg offered the chancellorship to Hitler. It was the highest office in the cabinet of ministers. Hitler took steps to dismantle the structure of democratic rule. Next question. What was the fire decree of 28 February 1933? Answer. The fire decree of 28 February 1933 suspended civic rights like freedom of speech, press, and assembly for an indefinite period, which were guaranteed under the Weimar Constitution. Next question. Who were the arch enemies of Hitler and the Nazis? Answer. The communists were the arch enemies of the Hitler and the Nazi Party. Next question. What was the Enabling Act 3 March 1933? Answer. The Enabling Act passed on 3 March 1933 established dictatorship in Germany. It gave Hitler all powers to rule by decree and without the consent of the parliament. Next question. What was Gestapo? Answer. Gestapo was the secret state police. People could be detained in Gestapo torture chambers and then sent to concentration camps, deported at will or arrested without any legal procedures. Next question. Who gave who was given the responsibility of economic recovery by Hitler. What was his aim? Answer. Hitler assigned the responsibility of economic recovery to the economist Hasamler Sachin, who aimed at full production and full employment through a state-funded work creation program. Next question. What was produced under the project of state-funded work creation program? Answer. This project produced the famous German superhighways and the people's car, the Volkswagen. Next question. Name the country occupied by Germany under the slogan One People, One Empire and One Leader. Answer. Under the above slogan, Austria and Germany integrated in 1938 by Hitler. Next question. Why did the England provide an unspoken support to Germans' foreign policy? Answer. England considered the Versailles verdict too harsh, so it provided as unspoken support to the Germans. Next question. How did the Second World War start? Answer. In September, Germany invaded Poland. This started the war with England and France. Next question. Why did Hitler conquer Eastern Europe? Answer. Hitler conquered Eastern Europe because he wanted to ensure food supply and living space for Germans. Next question. Why was the attack on Soviet Union a historic blunder? Answer. The attack on Soviet Union in June 1941 was a historic blunder because it exposed German Western Front to British aerial bombing and the Eastern Front to the powerful Soviet armies. Next question. Name the place where Soviet Red Army inflicted a crushing defeat on Germany. Answer. The Soviet Red Army inflicted a crushing and humiliating defeat on Germany at Stalingrad. Next question. Why did USA enter the Second World War? Answer. Japan was expanding its power in the east and had captured France, Indochina, and was planning attacks on US naval bases in the Pacific. When Japan attacked the US base at Pearl Harbor, the US entered the Second World War. Next question. How did the Second World War end? Answer. The Second World War ended in May 1945 with Hitler's defeat and dropping of the atom bomb on Hiroshima in Japan by USA. Next question. What was Hitler's worldview? Answer. Hitler's worldview as synonymous with Nazi ideology. According to this ideology, there was no equality between people but only a racial hierarchy. Next question. Name the two thinkers who influenced the racial ideology of Hitler. Answer. The two thinkers were Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. Next question. Explain Lebensraum. Answer. Lebensraum or living space. Hitler believed that new territories had to be acquired for settlement. Next question. How did Hitler's ideology was related to the geopolitical concept of Lebensraum or living space? Answer. Hitler believed that new territories would increase the area of mother country. It would increase the material resources and power of the German nation. Next question. Mention the reason of Nazi hatred for Jews. Answer. The Nazi hatred had a precursor in the traditional Christian hostility. Jews had been stereotyped as killer of Christ as usurers. Next question. What was general government in Poland? Answer. Nazis divided occupied Poland into two parts. Much of northwestern Poland was annexed to Germany. The other part was called general government. All undesirable were sent to this part where they were killed in gas chambers. Large number of Jews were killed. Next question. How were the Polish children treated by the Nazis? Answer. Polish children who looked like Aryans were examined by race experts. They passed the race test they were sent to German families. If not, they were sent to the orphanages where they died. आपको हमारा वीडियो कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना ना भूलें। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें, जिससे आपके पास तक हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन पहुंचते रहें। धन्यवाद।